Story time!
In a bright meadow alive with colours, a swift creature bragged. His laughter rang through the air. The gentle turtle listened quietly, a smile hiding her determination. "Let's race," the hare challenged. Excitement flickered in the air. The sleepy one nodded, eyes glimmering. A quiet spark ignited inside her. With a burst of speed, the fleet-footed one took off. Dust rose behind him. The steady one began her journey, unhurried, resolute. Confident in victory, he closed his eyes. "This is too easy," he thought. Meanwhile, the determined one pressed on, undeterred by the distance. Two playful butterflies appeared, swirling around her. They cheered with colours bright. "Enjoy the journey," they encouraged, and she smiled back, embracing each step. Time slipped by like soft clouds. The hare stirred, stretching leisurely. A faint rustle reached his ears. He opened one eye, still carefree, still dreaming. Suddenly panic struck him. His heart raced as he spied her approaching the finish. "No!" he gasped, adrenaline rushing through him like lightning. He dashed forward, fueled by regret. Legs pumping, breath quickening, he poured all his energy into the final stretch. Was it too late? She glided gracefully over the line, triumph in her heart. He stumbled in behind, panting heavily. The crowd watched, awe filling the meadow. Cheers erupted from all corners. The steady one shone bright amidst the joyful crowd. The swift one, humbled, learned to listen to the whispers of the wind. With a warm smile, she turned to him. "It's not just about winning," she shared softly. "Being steady and determined creates true victories." A new bond blossomed under the sunset. Together they stood, sharing wisdom and laughter, echoes of their race weaving into the fabric of their story.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.